The Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has reiterated its commitments to upholding strict transparency and accountability standards in deploying funds under the $500 million Human Capital Opportunities for Prosperity and Equity program. Now, speaking at a public sensitization forum, Governor Sanwo-Olu says the initiative prioritizes measurable outcomes, particularly in education, primary health care, and public financial management. Please take a look.
Top government officials in Lagos State, including Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, his deputy Kadri Hamzat, development partners, teachers, primary and secondary school students, converge on Lagos House Marina for the public sensitization and presentation of Lagos State's significant strides in the ongoing implementation of the HOPE program activities, governance, primary health and basic education.
Environment. Students can attempt these papers digitally, in classroom labs, on laptops, or even at home on their mobile phones.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The Lagos State Human Capital Opportunities for Prosperity and Equity program, implemented in 2024, has moved from a conceptual design into a high-velocity implementation phase that has shaped governance delivery in Lagos, particularly in the area of primary healthcare services and basic education.
We've implemented, within the HOPE-GOV, we've implemented critical budget reforms by ensuring that we've adopted the National Chart of Accounts, NCOA, across all local governments. And this, we believe, has helped us, boost reporting, transparency, subnational technical capabilities as well. It has also helped us in terms of promoting opening governance. So we've prioritized transparency and public disclosure. So this is done by ensuring that we've published all our state and local government budgets online, thus ensuring that improved accessibility to the fiscal information is complied with the HOPE program.
The commissioners in charge of the education and health sector highlight some of the achievements made in redefining Lagos' healthcare system and also reduce out-of-school children in the state.
We've expanded our access to insurance and reduced so the recruitment of workers across our PHCs, deployment to several key priority areas, training and capacity development, improving staff strength, service delivery and patient care, and reducing the workload on the existing personnel. We've put in solar power in many of our PHCs, and we've improved our ability to connect patients between the primary healthcare level and the secondary healthcare level when these emergencies arise. This program has tried to increase our resilience in our primary and our secondary facilities to bring down our infant mortality and maternal mortality rate. And we've done an amazing job across many primary healthcare facilities and our secondary healthcare facilities.
The HOPE-GOV has really assisted the Lagos State in having access to quality education by not keeping any child behind in our state. We have equally integrated the access to e-learning in our schools for our children to be able to compete favorably in the global village.
Partners of Lagos HOPE program says the achievement of the ongoing initiative is as a result of hard work, determination of the government in addressing bottlenecks that hinder service delivery.
On behalf of the World Bank, I want to commend the Lagos State government for its openness to reform and its drive for excellence. Our partnership is built on a shared vision of prosperity and equity. As we review these achievements, let us also look into the future. The sustainability of these reforms is paramount to ensuring that every citizen, regardless of their socioeconomic standing, benefits from the prosperity of this great state.
This program has become a compelling model on how powerful, purposeful governance reform can translate into tangible, lasting results for children and their families. UNICEF is proud to have partnered with the state throughout this journey, providing targeted technical assistance that complement government leadership and reinforces institutional capacity. On the primary healthcare, notably in that area, UNICEF has worked closely with the state government to strengthen governance, planning and accountability at the facility level. Our collaboration has included targeted technical support to enhance evidence-based planning and budgeting through annual operational planning processes, implementation of the PHC Leadership Challenge, and support to building health system resilience and service readiness.
The State Assembly and others also applaud the current administration for utilizing funds appropriately.
Yes, for the Ministry of Education, Mr. Governor, again, let me thank you. You were in Nigeria, me fellow the local government. The wonders of this world is in Ajegule. We have 36 schools in one location. There is nowhere in the world that you have such. So please, development partners, come and see what Mr. Governor has done for us in Nigeria, me fellow. The school is not just there, it is well equipped. Very well equipped with modern things that can make our greater tomorrow to excel, whether in terms of education, even in sport. So thank you very much, Mr. Governor and Mr. Deputy.
This program is more than just a physical target. It is about the Lagosian child getting a better education and the Lagosian family accessing quality healthcare, because the engine of government is running more smoothly and more efficiently.
As Lagos State receives recognition for the progress made in the last 2 years, Governor Sanwo-Olu says government will be transparent in implementing the $500 million support fund for the benefit of citizens.
Under this framework, Lagos State has made remarkable progress in strengthening governance systems. We have sustained a budget performance rate consistently above 80% in our year-on-year fiscal years. On our basic education investment, we continue to remain deliberate and impactful. Since the inception of this administration, we have undertaken the construction and rehabilitation over 1,200 classrooms across the state. We have created more conducive learning environment for our children than we have done ever in recent times. Beyond infrastructure, we have also directly supported our learning outcomes. Today, we're showcasing the distribution of literacy and numeracy materials to our pupils across our public schools. We're ensuring that every child have access to fundamental tools required for learning. These achievements, I imagine, are not accidental. They are the result of intentional planning, they are results of disciplined execution, and strong institutional framework. Under the HOPE program, we're embedding reforms that will ensure sustainability, that will ensure improved public procurement process, and that will ensure performance-based management systems that will enhance service delivery, that will ensure accountability, ensuring that our policies are backed by data, they are aligned with global best practices, and they're responsive to the needs of our people.
Thank you very much.
The Lagos State government believes that the $500 million initiative, supported by the World Bank and the federal government, will also strengthen capital management systems that will help Lagos shift from input-based spending to outcome-driven performance in the interest of the people.